Are you currently having problems with your Instagram filter search option not showing and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then actually, this is going to be the perfect video for you because me myself I had the exact same problem before and I'm going to show you step by step how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do first is to just open up your Instagram app and now you should be taken to this page right here as you can see. And then basically what you're going to do now on your profile page is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines and as you can see you should now get these options right here, which is perfect. So what you're going to do on this page is to just simply click on settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy and just wait a couple of seconds and you should now be taken to this page. So what you're going to do now on this page is to scroll down a little bit until you can find right here where it says help as you can see. So click on help and then we're going to click on report a problem. So click on report a problem and then once again click on report a problem in here, then click on include and continue and you should now be taken to this page. Now you're going to write exactly like this to the Instagram support to be able to fix it. So I wrote like this myself. I am having issues with not being able to see this search option for filters. I need this to be fixed. So you don't have to write anything else than this. So just write like this. I am having issues with not being able to see the search option for filters. I need this to be fixed. And then obviously, of course, don't forget to click on send in the top right corner. And what will happen now is that you will need to wait about 24 to 48 hours. Unfortunately, it is like quite a few days that you have to wait for the Instagram support to be able to see this. They will not reply back to you, but what will happen instead, or what happened to in my case, I went back after like 25 hours or something like that, and then I saw that the search filter just appeared now and I could actually search for it basically. So yeah, this is exactly how I was able to fix it and I hope that you will be able to fix it as well.